let's talk about the components of an automation system. An automation system consists of input, control processes, and outputs. The input is the capacity to collect the data and get the information. Examples are sensors, be it digital or analog, or visual elements, a camera looking and collecting in real time the information. Control processes are the central component of automation. This is what takes the input, analyzes it, and makes decisions on what to execute as an output. Within central processes, we can have PLC, programmable logic controllers, microcontrollers, industrial computers, and different examples to execute the brain and the thought process. The output components are devices responsible for executing the decision made by the control process. And this is done through actuators, relays, and different elements. And those were the components of automation.